chapter weightage is 8 marks. Now I am going to discuss long answer 1 and long answer 5. These two long answers are same. These two long answers are same. Okay, look here. In the long answer 1, first to discuss Fleming left hand rule. Fleming left hand rule. According to this rule, first to stretch your left hand. First to stretch your left hand. 3 fingers, that means 3 fingers, thumb, 4 finger, central finger. These first 3 fingers, once again I repeat, thumb, 4 finger, central finger. These 3 fingers are placed mutually perpendicular. Once again, your first to take your left hand, thumb, 4 finger, central finger are placed mutually perpendicular to each other. Perpendicular to each other. Okay? In the 3 fingers, first finger, thumb indicate direction of force. Okay? Next one, 4 finger indicate direction of magnetic field. Central finger indicate direction of current. Once again I repeat, according to Fleming left hand rule, first 3 fingers are placed mutually perpendicular. In the situation, central finger indicate the direction of current. 4 finger indicate the direction of magnetic field. Thumb indicate direction of force. This rule is called Fleming left hand rule. Next one. Next. Here, look here now. Force acting on current wire placed in force acting on current wire placed in magnetic field. Look here. Here, according to question, first to take conducting wire. This wire length is L. Look here. Cross sectional area is A. Let us consider a wire. Wire length is L. Cross sectional area A. Okay. In the situation, here carries a current I. Conductor carries a current I. This current carrying wire placed in magnetic field. Okay, this current wire placed in magnetic field as shown in figure. Conductor have large number of free electrons. We know that force acting on the charge. Look here, Nana. We know that force acting. We know that force acting on. Look here, Nana. Force acting on charge. We know that according to Lorentz force acting on the charge is Q into Q V B sin theta. Force acting on the charge, this charge placed in a magnetic field. Force formula is Q V B sin theta. Okay? Here VD drift velocity. Generally in the current electricity, the relation between current and drift velocity is NEAVD. Here small n indicate number of electrons per unit volume. Here look here. Here Q indicate charge. Quantization of charge Q value is Ne into here according to this equation, what is the VD value? I by N E A. Here substitute VD value I by, look here Nana, N E A. Okay, into B into sin theta. Look here, all of you. Here, force acting on charge. The charge placed in magnetic field. Look here now. Here now, F equal to N E I by small n write as number of electrons per unit volume. Here volume write as area of the conductor, length of the conductor E A. Okay, పక్కనే ఉంది B sin theta. Here E cancel, N cancel, A cancel. Finally we get I L B sin theta. Neatly write as F equal to Bill sin theta. What is the question? Force, Nana, current wire placed in magnetic field. Current wire placed in magnetic field. What is the force acting on the current wire formula? Force acting on the current wire is, the formula is Bill sin theta. Very important, Nana, 8 marks. Force acting on the current wire. This current wire placed in a magnetic field. Force formula Bill sin theta. Here theta is angle between L and B. Once again, theta is angle between L bar and B bar. Between two parallel conductors. Force between two parallel conductors. Look here now. Very important, 8 marks. Long answer 5 now. Long answer 5. Look here now. This is the current wire. This is the current wire. Here two wires now carrying a current. First wire carrying a current I1. Second wire carrying a current I2. Okay? Each wire length yellow. Okay, Nana? Look here. Here two wires. First wire carrying a current I1. Second wire carrying a current I2. Each wire length L. Both the wires are arranged parallel to each other. Both the wires are arranged. Both the wires are arranged parallel to each other. Both the wires are arranged parallel to each other. Here, R is the distance between two wires. Once again, let us consider two wires carrying a currents I1 and I2. Each wire length is L. R is the distance between perpendicular distance between two parallel wires. Okay, according to Oersted experiment, current wire to produce the magnetic field. Here, look here. This rule, right hand thumb rule, current direction. Folded finger indicate the direction of magnetic field. Thumb indicate the direction of current. Folded finger here. Here field act inward. This is B1. Here, what is the B1? B1 is magnetic field induction. Magnetic field induction due to I1 act on I2. Nana long wire to produce the magnetic field. We know the formula. Magnetic field induction due to long wire is mu naught I by 2 pi R. Okay? Here due to I1, so here write I1, equation number 1. Look here. Current wire placed in magnetic field. Once again, current wire placed in magnetic field, which will be act force. Force formula is Bill sin theta. Once again I repeat, current wire placed in which will be act force. This is F2. F2 means force acting on I2. Force acting on I2. Look here now. Force acting on I2. Force formula Bill sin theta. According to diagram, on I2, the field is B1, current is I2, length of the wire is L. Here theta is angle between L and B. L is y-axis, B is z-axis. Y and Z mutually perpendicular. Theta value 90. Neatly write as B1 I2 L. Here, what is the B1 value? Mu naught I1 by 2 pi R into next I2 into L. This is the force between two parallel conductors. Very important, 8 marks. What is the formula for force between two parallel conductors? F equal to mu naught I1 I2 L by 2 pi R. Okay? Here Nana, what is the direction of force? Direction of force determined by using Fleming left hand rule. According to this rule, magnetic field inward, current upward, thumb indicate force. simply force acting in this direction. Its meaning is this wire name చేస్తుంది attract. Simply currents in the same direction, both the wires are attractive. For example, currents in opposite direction, here force act. Its meaning is here currents in opposite direction, both the wires are repulsive. Currents in same direction, both the wires are attractive. What is the formula for force between two parallel conductors? Mu naught I1 I2 L by 2 pi r. So 1 completed, long answer 5 completed. Next long answer 2, very important nana. Look here, torque acting on. Torque acting on current carrying coil. Torque acting on current carrying rectangular coil. Rectangular coil placed in magnetic field. Look here now. Torque acting on rectangular coil placed in uniform magnetic field. Okay, Nana? Look here, very important, 8 marks. Look here, Nana. According to the question, this is the rectangular coil. Look here, all of you, write learning notes. This rectangular coil, name P, Q, R, S, as shown in the figure. Let us consider a rectangular coil. Coil name is P, Q, R, S, as shown in the figure. Okay, na? Rectangular coil, rectangular coil name P, Q, R, S. మంచిగా విను, వింటే అర్థమైంది. మైండ్ ఫోబియాలో ఉంటే అర్థం కాకుండా. రెక్టాంగులర్ కాయిల్ లెంత్ ఈస్ L. Look here. Rectangular coil length is L. Rectangular coil breadth is B. Look here. Let us consider a rectangular coil. Rectangular coil name P, Q, R, S. Its length is L. Its breadth is B. Okay. Here now, carrying a current is I. Carrying a current is I. Look here. This coil placed in uniform magnetic field. This coil placed in uniform magnetic field. Etla sir ante look here. This is the rectangular coil plane. Here, this is the magnetic field. Both are ela unnai shivashayi. Emandi ikkada cheyadaniki plane of the coil is parallel to magnetic field. Pen magnetic field. Both are parallel. What is the condition? Tell me. What is the condition here? Plane of the coil parallel to plane of the coil parallel to magnetic field. Okay, Nana? Look here. This is the condition. Nana, this is coil, Nana. Field nila beta. Both are allowed parallel. ఇప్పుడు current wire placed in magnetic field. Look here, Nana. ఇంతకీ రెక్టాంగులర్ కాయిల్ లెంత్ ఎంత అనుకుందాం? సరే, ఇది లెంత్ అనుకుందాం. మనం లెంత్ ఇది. మరి అప్పుడు ఇదేమవుతుందో చెప్తారా? కొండలు, బంగారు కొండలు బ్రెడ్త్ అవుతుంది. లుక్ హియర్ నన్ను. ఓకే, ఇప్పుడు మీరు చెక్ చేస్తే ఇది చూడండి, ఫోర్స్ యాక్టింగ్ ఆన్ పీక్యూ చూద్దాం. ఫోర్స్ యాక్టింగ్ ఆన్ పీక్యూ. ఓకే, ఫోర్స్ యాక్టింగ్ ఆన్ పీక్యూ. శివశాయి ఫోర్స్కి ఫార్ములా కరెంట్ వైర్ ప్లేస్డ్ ఇన్ మ్యాగ్నెటిక్ ఫీల్డ్. ఫోర్స్కి ఫార్ములా ఇంతకుముందే చెప్పావు కదా, BIL sin theta. Look here. Here Nana, B is magnetic field induction, I is current. Here PQ length is B. Here L की B की मध्य angle. Here plane of the coil. ఇక్కడ చూడండి, length B parallel. Parallel means theta value 0, sin 0 into anything 0. Force acting on the PQ is 0. Similarly, look here, Nana. Similarly, force acting on RS, what happens? Look here, Nana. Current wire placed in magnetic field. Force की formula BIL sin theta. Here B is magnetic field, I is current. Here length is RS, length is B. Here also length and magnetic field both are parallel. Theta is 0, sin 0, simply 0. Simply force acting on the PQ, force acting on the RS is what happens? 0. Okay, here Nana. Next Nana, look here Nana. Force acting on PQ completed, force acting on RS completed. Next Nana, force acting on QR Nana. Look here Nana. Force acting on QR. Look here Nana. Force acting on QR. ఇది కదా ఫోర్స్కి ఫార్ములా, మీరే చెప్పండి. BIL sin theta. Here theta is 90 because length is on y-axis, field is on x-axis. Both are along perpendicular. Simply force acting on QR is BIL. Equation number 3. Next one, direction of force determined by using Fleming left hand rule. Take your left hand బంగారు కొండలు, ఇలా 3 fingers mutually perpendicular పెట్టండి. Here 4 finger indicate magnetic field. Here current is downward, thumb indicate outward. Simply here direction of force is outward according to Fleming left hand rule. Okay, next one, force acting on PS. Look here Nana. Force acting on PS. Look here Nana. Force acting on PS. Here also force formula is, look here Nana. force formula is BIL. Here the angle between L and B. B is x-axis, PS length is y-axis. X and Y mutually perpendicular, sine 91. This is the formula for force Bill. Equation number 4. Okay. Here also direction of force determined by using Fleming left hand rule. According to this rule, four-finger magnetic field. Here current upward, thumb indicate force. Nana, identi current, field, force. According to here, current upward, field is here. Thumb indicate the force. Here force acting inward. According to equation 3, force acting outward. Here force acting outward. Here force acting inward. Simply this is the coil, for example. Here force acting outward. Here force acting inward. What happens to the coil here? What happens to the coil here? What happens to the coil outward, inward? What happens to the coil? Turn. This turning effect is called torque. Simply here two opposite forces acting. Here one is inward, one is outward. This constitutes a torque. Simply look here, Nana. Torque acting on the coil. What is the definition of torque in the physics? Torque definition is Shushan, force into Nagendra Prasad, force into perpendicular distance between, force into perpendicular distance between two forces. Look the board, Nana, Bangaru Kondalu. What is the torque definition? Force into perpendicular distance between two forces. Here, what is the force formula? Equation 3, BIL into E force ki madhya perpendicular distance entundi B, small b. Here, finally we get BI. Length into breadth is called area. Simply torque acting on the current carrying coil. This coil is placed in a magnetic field. Torque formula is BIA. Coil have 1 ton. This is applicable. But coil have so many tons. The torque formula is BIA. Once again, what is the formula for torque? Coil have n tons. Torque formula is BIAN. What is the formula for torque acting on the coil? Coil have n tons. BIAN. Once again I repeat, second long answer, Nana. Look here. Here rectangular coil, Nana, of length L, breadth B, carrying a current I. Here this coil placed in a magnetic field. Both are parallel. Plane of the coil parallel to field. In the situation, force acting on the PQ, force acting on the RS 0, force acting on the QR is Bill, force acting on the PS is Bill. But this force according to Fleming left hand rule, opposite direction. That's why coil turn. Turning effect is called torque. Torque basic definition is one of the force into perpendicular distance between two forces. One of the forces Bill, perpendicular distance between two forces is small b. Simply torque formula is BIA. Coil have n turns. Torque formula is BIAN. This is applicable plane of the coil placed parallel to magnetic field. Very important, 8 marks. Hold.